Titan, the largest moon orbiting Saturn. There are 53 moons in orbit of Saturn, and Titan is the largest. Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system. Titan has an atmosphere. Its atmosphere is dense, much like the Earth. As Saturn and Jupiter formed, they were surrounded by disks of material that turned into moons. So they also formed moons, and Titan was one of them. Discovery. Titan was discovered on March 25, 1655, by the Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens. There is no evidence of when it formed, but we do know the last bit of piece that I said. When Saturn and Jupiter formed, they were surrounded by disks of material that turned into moons, and Titan was one of them. But we do not know when. Where is it located? Titan is located 1.2 million kilometers away from Saturn. How big is it? With a radius of 2,575 kilometers, which is 1,600 miles, Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system. It is bigger than our own moon and even the planet Mercury. Only Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, is larger than Titan. With a diameter barely of 112 kilometers, which is 62 miles, greater than Titan's circumference is 16,178 kilometers. Radius is the distance from the center to the edge of a circle. As you can see in the drawing, the radius is from the center to the edge of the circle, the distance. Diameter, a straight line going through the center of a circle, and it's the distance of that. As you can see also in my drawing, it's just a straight line going through the center of the circle, it's the distance. And the circumference is the distance around the edge of a circle, so like if you were to walk around so if you were to walk around a circle, and like on the very edge, it's that distance. Well, what is Titan composed of? In the atmosphere, it is composed of 90% nitrogen and the rest methane. It also has ice and water. It has oil in the ground. It has seas, lakes, and dunes, which makes it very, very similar to Earth. And there's Titan. What do we know and what are we still unsure about on Titan? Well, we know that everything I have listed so far, there are potential clues of life on Titan in the past or as this very second. We think that there could be life on Titan because there are organic molecules called tholins. That is life, but I guess if you want the meaning of life like big aliens or something, then there's not really life, because we can't really see atoms very well. Well, we can't see them. Titan also has a dense atmosphere which is very like Earth. How did we learn these things? NASA sent the Voyager 1 to Titan to take photographs and measure the levels of gases in the atmosphere of Titan. The Voyager 1 is also measured in the physical features of Titan. Do you want to see a magic trick? Well, a picture of the Voyager 1 is about to appear in the right any second. Whoa! And there it is! What is the future of Titan? There is only one prediction for the future of Titan, which was that life could appear in Titan at one point in time. And there's Titan. Here are some other cool pictures of Titan. This looks much like the Earth's surface and texture. A river with hills and such, mountains. And this is a picture of the sea. The seas, some of the seas. I don't know which one this is, but this is just one of the seas of Titan. I don't know if they name them around. That is the sun, and it's funny how we have the sea moon and the sun, and it's kind of like their moon is Saturn, but it's not. And here is another surface picture. As you can see, Saturn up here, and you can see lightning over here. And lightning occurs all the time in Titan, and there's a lot of winds and dust storms there. But scientists have yet not found out what the reason for that is. And there are also no waves in the ocean. More information. Titan is the largest moon orbiting Saturn. Titan is the only moon of Saturn that you can see clearly through a small telescope. Titan is much larger than all the other moons in orbit of Saturn. Saturn has a lot of moons, 53 to be exact. Titan is the one with an atmosphere. With an equatorial radius of 2,575 kilometers, about 1,600 miles, Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system. The temperature of Titan's surface is about negative 289 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 178 degrees Celsius. Titan orbits Saturn at a distance about 1.2 million kilometers, 745,000 miles, taking almost 16 days to complete a full orbit. Titan orbits Saturn once every 15 days and 22 hours. Titan has no magnetic field. There is an abundance of methane lakes, which are mainly concentrated near its southern pole. Large areas of Titan's surface are covered with sand dunes made of hydrocarbon. Dunes on Titan may resemble the ones of the Namibia Desert in Africa because methane exists as a liquid. It also evaporates from and forms clouds, which occasionally causes the methane rain. Sunlight is quite dim in Titan, and climate is changed by the changes in amount of light that accompanies the seasons. There is also data that suggests the presence of liquid ocean beneath the surface, but is still to be confirmed. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned more about Titan, and here are my sources. Thank you. This video was created by Kuvin Singh.